let's take a look at the difference between the cable cast-on and the knitted cast-on. This is the knitted cast-on here. Cable cast-on is very similar but different in that it's not as stretchy as the knitted cast-on. So to do a knitted cast-on, you're going to insert your needle to knit the stitch. And now once you have that stitch, you're going to twist it and put it up on your left needle, keeping your right needle still in the stitch. And that's just going to continue. The important thing here is that your needle is going through the stitch. So you're making kind of a chain of stitches while your needle stays in the stitch. So that is the knitted cast-on. To do the cable cast-on, you're going to insert your needle between stitches, not through the stitch, but between stitches. And then you're going to make a stitch, twist it, and put it up on your needle. And you want to take your needle out of the stitch because you're not actually going to be knitting anything into the stitch. Again, you are going between the stitches, not actually into a stitch. That is the cable cast-on. You can do this fairly loosely, but it still won't have quite the stretch that a knitted cast-on will have. So again, cable cast-on, you're pulling your stitches from in between stitches here, whereas in the knitted cast-on, you're going to be knitting stitches and putting those up on the needle. So each time you cast on a new stitch, you're going to put your needle through the last stitch and knit one, twist, put it up on your needle. And that's your knitted cast-on.